Okay, if I'm gonna be a future world leader, or like, a leader here in the Philippines, this is how I'm gonna structure my government based in astrology. So people will resonate with me, especially yung mga healed zodiac signs. Okay, you'll understand this. Capricorns are born leaders. So Capricorn will be the leader or head of state. Libra, I will place them sa justice system. Okay? You know why, right? Especially if healed ang Libras, they are very fair. Unevolved and unhealed Libras, they will receive karma anyway if they mishandle their power. Okay? So my core power, zodiac signs. Leo, obviously, you want the spotlight, you want to be the center of attention, so you will handle the public relations, you'll be the figurehead, since you want to, act in a certain way where, it's pleasing to the eye, maayos kayo sa pananamit, you love fashion, you love looking good. Okay? But, syempre pag evolved, fair din kayo. Okay? Syempre, ilalagay ko yung mga evolved. Hold on. Syempre, ang pipiliin ko yung mga evolved. Hindi pwedeng unhealed ang ilagay natin kasi magkakagulo. Para saan pa na mag-structure ako ng government if unevolved yung mga ilalagay ko dyan. So, syempre, magkakaroon ng screening at hindi nila ako pwedeng lokohin kasi the universe will show me. Okay? So, Scorpio, since mahilig kayong mag-stalk, when you're obsessed about something, you dig deeper. So, I'll place you sa intelligence and security. Okay? You will all be my CCTV. And yung psychic gifts nyo, okay? Nagkakaroon kayo ng premonition of what's gonna happen. So, system and order. I'm gonna place Virgo, healed and evolved Virgo. Kasi, ang shadow side ng Virgos, they are tapped in more into their addictions. Any addiction, okay? So, mahirap. Pero tedious and may OCD kasi ang mga Virgo. So, health and administration. Dahil OC kayo, ewan ko, sa mga nakilala kong Virgo din, masyadong OC, masyadong kailangan malinis. Kailangan malinis. Parang healed na Libra, kailangan maayos, hindi pwedeng magulo. Ayaw nila ng ganon, okay? Sa mga so, syempre importante sa health natin na